to the online classes. I am Shansar and I am going to explain you the chapter number 8 of class. So chapter number 1 of class 8th, networking concepts. It is the first part. Let's begin now. Networking. What is networking? A computer network is defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware sources. Means a computer can said to be network if it is connected with the other computer and hardware devices, and these are in all the computers are able to share data and hardware resources. That computer can be said in the network. See, it is a picture. It is in this you can see the all the computers, tablet, all connected with the hub switch. See, now next up, each computer in a network is called a node. Now see, what is node? See, it is a computer picture, it is a networking picture, and all the computers which are connected here, these all are nodes. Okay. Next is advantage of networking. What is the advantage of networking? See here now, efficient use of storage media. It means if we are in network, we no need to storage we no need to store the data in the computer. We can store all the data in the networking or networking storage media. Means which is the main server in that hardware device, in that storage media, in that storage device we can save our data. Next, preserving information. All the information is preserved with user ID and password. Without user ID and password, we cannot access that information. Reduction in hardware cost. It means we no need to install hardware for each and every computer. With the one hardware, we can share that hardware in the network and we can use that hardware. Suppose as example as printer, I have 10 computers, one printer. So when I can connect all the computers in networking and I can share that printer with all the computers, so I don't need to purchase 10 printers for 10 computers. Understand? It is a benefit of networking. Reduction hardware cost. Next is efficiency. It means our work is efficient, means total work will be done 100% accuracy. Redundancy means our workload will come reduce and data load will come reduce. Quickest document library. All the documents are saved on online and we can easily access any document which we want on in the library, as we do in the library. Same manner we can access any document very easily. Next is networking components. Means what were the components we require to connect any computer in networking. First is network card. Network card is used physically attached to a network. Means if we want any computer to attach with network, first of all that computer should have a network card. Ethernet network card is also known as network card. जो Ethernet network card होता है, that another name is network card. Nowadays most computers come with inbuilt network card. See now, what is the network? It is a picture of network card. This port is connected in the computer, and now this port is coming with all the computer network, all the computers and laptop. This port is coming inbuilt now. Next is networking cable. Modern internet network use twisted pair containing 8 wires. These wires are arranged in special order, and an RJ45 connector is crimped at both sides of the cable. See here now, it is the cable, or you can see it is the 8 wires cable. All the wires are arranged in a special order. See here, these both are RJ45 connector, both are crimped at both ends. You can see here wires are arranged in a special order. Next is hub. What is hub? Network card are used to send and receive data being transmitted over Ethernet cables. Means what the data is transferred with the help of Ethernet cables. When a network has more than 2 computers, we cannot directly connect all the computers together. Suppose I have more than 2 computers, so with the network, if I cannot connect all the computers with together, for connected them, I need a hub. I need a device that is called hub. This function is performed by a hub or switch. See now, as you use in extension boards. Why you use extension board? To separate the, to increase the port. Okay, suppose you have eight electronic item, and you have only one hub, one switch in your room. So you can use this extension board to divide the electricity port, yeah, electricity board, electric socket in four parts, same as hub is doing. Hub is also divide the internet part in the sections. See, it is a switch, it is called switch. In this also, these are the input ports, these are input ports. You can see here, these both are input ports, these are output ports. In this we can insert the cable which having internet, and we can, from here we can attach the other computers for access the internet. Understand? Thank you so much. I hope you all understand. Thank you.